Hello everyone! Many times when you're using Excel, you have a good idea of what function to use to accomplish a task. But in some cases, you're not sure how to build the function. The good thing is we have a helper. In this video, I will show you how to use the Excel function wizard that will guide you through that process. So, let's see how it works. In this spreadsheet, we have some data that we can use to build some functions using the function wizard. To access the tool, we can do it from the ribbon tab, Formula, and then click on Insert Function. A new window open. On the top, we have the search for a function. In the box, we can type either the function name or a keyword of what we need. A simple example would be sum. Then click on Go, and on the next section, we got the recommended functions. Let's open now the drop-down to select another category. We have the most recently used, all, financials, date and time, lookup and reference, and others. Let's go back to the most recent use. From here, I will select the function if. Then click OK. A new window open, and this is the actual function wizard. The top section shows the function arguments, and the next section displays a quick description on what the function does. In this case, checks whether a condition is met and returns one value if true and another value if false. Then we have a quick description of the section that is selected. We are in the logical test. Is any value or expression that can be evaluated to true or false? For example, we will evaluate if the math score is higher than 8. Click on the arrow and now select cell C2. Greater than 8. Click on the arrow again, and the result of the evaluation is shown on this area. It's a true in this case. Next section, value if true. Let's look at the description. Is the value that is returned if a logical test is true. If omitted, the word true is returned. And there is one additional note. You can nest up to 7 if functions. If the value that will be assigned is a number, just type it. If the value that will be assigned is a text, it goes in quotation marks. The next section is value if false. Let's look at the description. Is the value that is returned if logical test is false. If omitted, the word false is returned. Like the true value, if the value that will be assigned is a number, just type it. If the value that will be assigned is a text, it goes in quotation marks. All our arguments are filled. You can see the function is created in the formula bar, and you can also see it being built in the cell. Now click OK. And there we have. The result of the function is a 1, as the logical test is true. To evaluate the rest of the cells, we just copy the created function, and there we have. Let's do another example. Select cell D12, and another way to access to the function wizard is with this icon on the formula bar. That opens the window to search for the functions. Let's do a count if, then click on Go, and we got two options, count if and count if s. Select count if s, then click OK. This function counts the numbers of cells specified by a given set of conditions or criteria. In this case, we have two arguments, the criteria range and the criteria. The criteria range is the range of cells that we want to evaluate for the particular condition. Select range D2 to D11. Then the criteria is the condition in the form of a number, expression, or text that define which cells will be counted. Let's type greater than 9. As soon as you type the criteria, you can see there is another criteria range in the argument. This is because COUNTIFS can evaluate more than one range at a time, or the same range to multiple criteria. Select the range E2 to E11, Then for the criteria 2, type greater than 8, and we have another argument added for the criteria range 3. If we have another range or condition to evaluate, you can just do so. If not, just leave it blank and click OK. You can see the final function in the formula bar and the result of the function in the cell. In this case, we got a 1 because just for this row, the score on column D is greater than 9 and the score on column E is greater than 8. Now you get the idea on how the function wizard works.
That's all for this video. If you like my content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my pages to learn more about this application. I'll see you in the next video.